In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a chat on WhatsApp web or desktop. If you've ever tucked a conversation away to keep your chat list tidy and now need it back, this guide will walk you through it clearly and calmly. We'll use WhatsApp web and the desktop app, since the steps are the same in both. Archiving simply hides a chat from your main list. It doesn't delete messages or media, and you can bring it back in seconds. First, open WhatsApp web in your browser or launch the WhatsApp desktop app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're not already signed in on your computer, WhatsApp will prompt you to link your phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to connect. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar chat list on the left. Next, look to the top of the chat list for the archived section. It usually appears right at the top, above your most recent conversations, and may show a count of how many chats are stored there. If you don't immediately see it, scroll to the very top of the chat pane so it becomes visible. Click Archived to open that folder. This view contains all the conversations you previously archived, letting you manage them without cluttering your main chats. Now, find the specific chat you want to bring back. Hover your mouse over that chat to reveal additional options on the right side. You'll see a small down arrow icon appear. Click that arrow to open a quick menu, then select Unarchive Chat. As soon as you do, WhatsApp will move that conversation out of the archived folder and place it back into your main chat list. It will appear in its normal position based on the most recent message, so you can pick up right where you left off. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Unarchiving doesn't notify the other person, and nothing is lost or changed in your message history. If you're cleaning up multiple conversations, you can repeat this same process for each chat you want to restore. And if you ever archive something by accident, these steps are the fastest way to reverse it. That's all there is to it. Open WhatsApp web or desktop, click Archived at the top of your chat list, hover over the conversation you need, tap the down arrow, and choose Unarchive Chat. Simple, fast, and your chat is right back where you expect it. If this was helpful, feel free to replay any part and follow along on your screen until it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.